In this video, we're going to launch Python and then create our first Python program, which of course will be Hello World. So let's get started. If you don't have an icon for the idle editor, go ahead and come down to the search bar and you can just type idle in the search bar and then it'll find it, at least in Windows. And so I'm going to choose idle. And here it has launched the idle shell. The shell is interesting. The shell is a runtime just like in Java, but it's an interactive runtime. So I can type commands directly into the shell and it will respond with the results of those commands. So here I could do my first hello world actually by typing in the print command and then saying hello world, closing my parenthesis and hitting enter. And there you have it. Hello world is done. Now I don't personally prefer to program one line at a time in the editor or in the shell. So let's go ahead and build an actual program. What we're going to do is click on File and create a new file. In this case, I can save it right away if I want. File, Save As, and I'm going to call it hello.py. And now we can type our command that it takes to print hello world to the screen. In Python, if you want to output to the screen, you're going to use the built-in print function. And there would be my built-in print function. I need to pass to it what I want to print, which in this case is the text hello world. And that is the extent of my program right there. To run your program, you first have to save it. So we'll do File Save. You could also use Control S. And then I can do Run Module, or I can hit F5. The module runs, and you can see here that it has printed out Hello World for me. When we're programming in Python, a lot of times we'll be switching back and forth from the shell to the editor, so you can make changes in your editor. Let's add another line. Today is March 17. And now if I run that, notice I forgot to save it, so let's do that on purpose. If you say run, it'll come up and say source must be saved, okay to save. So I'll save it. And then it runs it right away. And here is the response. Alright, so there it was. We have created our first Python program, Hello World, and have also run that program.